Hey guys, this is Zevin from DNC. Now in this video, I'll be sharing with you how you can add product categories to your WooCommerce website. So let's go into our step-by-step sharing.
Now, I'm currently using a demo e-commerce website. So you can see from here, I'm having like a few different categories, and then some of my product as well. So over right here. So if you can see over right here, so this is the category that I'm having, right? So let's say I'm going to click into this, right? And over right here, I'll be able to see all these categories right here. Yeah, so how do I actually add more categories right here? Or perhaps if let's say I would like to change the wordings instead of organic, maybe I want to change it to organic fruits. How do I do this, right? So there's actually few ways that you can do. Yeah. First of all, when the moment that you go into your edit products, right? In your WooCommerce, okay, so currently I'm under the products area, and when I edit a product, you can see on the right hand side here, this is the section for you to add the product category. All right, so earlier the one that I'm selected right here is organic and vegetables, so I have organics right here and vegetables right here. Yeah, so if I want to add more like all this doesn't make sense. Yeah, later we're going to change that. So later, for example, if I want to add fruits, yeah, I will just add over right here, select, and once I update and refresh the page, right, you can see that this category has been added right here. But however, for those of you if you're thinking of hey, the category that I want is not showing right here. Okay, so how do you do that? Yeah, you can see there's this add new category. You can just click on here very fast. You can just type like, for example, healthy fruits. All right, and so you can choose who is your parents category. Yeah, so if you choose parent category, meaning to say healthy fruits will park under fruits over right here. Yeah, as one of the subcategories right here. So let's say I choose fruits. All right, add new category. You see this? Yep, it will be parked under here. Okay, so maybe I deselect the fruits and I'll just come here and edit. All right, so you'll be able to see my product category showing over right here. Now, however, if you realize under your WooCommerce, your product parts, right, you can only add the category, but you cannot actually edit. Yeah, so if you realize that as a typos right here, you like to delete the category, you actually can't do that right there. Yeah, right here. So what we need to do is we just need to go to let's say I will just put a camera right here. Later I'm going to delete this camera right there, right? So let me just refresh. If you see this, later I'm going to delete this category. All right. So what you need to do is you just need to go all the way under the categories, product categories. All right. And right here, yeah, you can see that right here you can actually do two things. Yeah. One, you can also add the category, and once added, it's actually going to show when the moment that you add it right here, right, is going to show under here. Yep. All right. But meanwhile, right here, you can also edit or delete some of the category that you don't want. Yeah. So for example, just now the one the camera. So this is the one that I can edit right here, and I'll maybe put camera Nikon. All right. And I'm just going to update. So if I update my category title, you can see that here it will be automatically updated. But if I don't want, I just want to delete the icons, right? I can just come here, delete, and delete the whole category. All right. So you see under the fruits area, my camera has been deleted. Okay. earlier over right here, you see this? Yeah, my camera has been deleted. So once I come and refresh, this camera and icon will disappear from that. Okay, so that's how easily. The other one, if you want to change the title, let's say healthy fruits, right? You just need to navigate to healthy fruits. Yeah, you can just click on edit, and maybe I'll just change it to healthy fruit without the S. All right, update, and it's over right here. Refresh. You see this? The S will disappear right there. Okay. At the same time, what you can do also, you can just try to add a category right here, right? Let's say organic veggie. All right. So the slot you can leave it empty. Yeah. When the moment that you save, it will be automatically created for you. All right. So once I add it, where's my organic veggie? You see this? Yeah. So when the moment right now, if I go into edit my product, yeah, and I should see a new category right there. Organic veggie. All right. You see? Yep. Organic veggie. So I can just come here and select my category and I just refresh the page. Okay. So then maybe I will just need to remove the organic and remove the vegetables. Yep. So that's all in this video that I would like to share with you how you can add your product category to your WooCommerce e-commerce sites, right? It's basically very simple. Either you add it from your product page or you can just manage it under the categories settings right there. Yeah, so if you're successfully able to create your category in your WooCommerce, WordPress websites, right? Remember to leave a comment below and let me know. Meanwhile, if you like our video, remember to help us like and share. And I will see you in the next video.
Thank you for watching. If you like our video, remember to leave your comment below, help us like and share. If you are yet to subscribe to our YouTube channel, remember to click on the subscribe button and most importantly, hit on the bell icon so that you'll be able to receive notifications when we launch our new video. See you in the next video.